RVS includes interactive tutorials that help you learn how to get the most from your verification project. No matter how you're using RVS, tutorials can help you kickstart your verification. Dedicated tutorials for each RVS tool, optimized for your industry, take you through your verification workflow from creating a project to exporting your results. Each tutorial is dedicated to a specific use case or feature, so it's easy to find more information on the task at hand. If you want to get started verifying your own code quickly, you can use RVS's sandbox tutorials to set up a simple integration in minutes. Where different approaches to achieving a task are available, such as writing tests with Rapita, tutorials help you understand the options so you can choose the best for you. Tutorials also help you take your learning further by including links to related tutorials and the RVS user documentation.